Hey everybody, Ron from Campfire Grub. On this week's episode here, we are camping at Ichetucknee Springs Campground. We've got the rooftop tent set up. Sarah's still sleeping up there. We've got the canoe, and David's over there cooking, and Ty is over here. On our truck here to the bathroom, we discovered some guinea fowl here, just like at home. So these white guinea hens are pretty cool.
Look at that one up there.
Oh, it's like a spotted one.
Yeah.
We've got some goats, we've got some ducks, we've got a donkey.
Can we take you home?
Hello there. We have departed the campsite. Now we out here at the Ichetucknee Springs State Park here, where we're gonna go ahead and launch some canoes. David's right there, he's got some kayaks. And we're about ready to go out there on the water today on this beautiful 47-degree day. Unfortunately, we opted to bring our own canoe here, and it's probably about a half-a-mile trek of carrying a canoe down here. Absolutely winded. Everybody's winded. We should have probably just went ahead and rented one, even though I usually like using my own raggedy junk. But for next time, definitely will rent. Probably worth it.
There we go.
That's why you need a paddle. I don't have one.
First catastrophe of the day.
Shit off.
First of many, I'm sure.
We're out here on the Ichetucknee River, rolling along. Behind me, we've got David back there, Ty back there. So we've got everybody behind us, and we're just kind of leading it along up the river here. Sarah is doing a splendid job paddling us along. I don't even need to paddle. Thanks to Sarah. And just sit back here, film, and enjoy the scenery. We've reached a midpoint location. So we've got William paddling downriver. He is now meeting us. We've got Ty caught up. David's on his way. And I was just over here examining this trash pile here on this landing. And check out this old Busch Light can. Like, that thing is steel. It is ancient. Wonder how old that is. Sarah, how are you doing so far?
Very good.
Very good. Awesome. And just check out this water. Pretty blue water. And the water just keeps on getting bluer and bluer. I didn't get a chance to film earlier, but we did encounter some wood ducks, some alligators, and many turtles. Sarah and I have just officially paddled all the way up to the top of the river. We made it all the way at the top. This is as far as we can go. And now it's time to float back down river again. So Sarah, how was it?
It was beautiful, but it was challenging.
Beautiful, challenging. Awesome.
Lots of rapids and current.
This was definitely pretty physically exerting here for us, but we were able to get it done. We finally made it back to camp with the guinea fowl. And Sarah and I actually have guinea fowl at home, but we do not have any white guinea fowl. So now we're kind of like low-key in the market for some white guinea fowl, because all of our guineas look just like that one. Just kind of the standard gray guinea hen with speckles. What you got there?
A large pig. A very cute pig. Its tail started wagging when we came over. It's good to have a good one to go to that you trust. Yeah.
Josh was unable to make it, either of the Joshes, but good thing we have a replacement Josh. So we're going to go ahead and dump this into the stew.
You're pretty like apricots, huh? Oh. Gorgeous.
Look at his little face.
Sweet angel.
So fluffy.
It looks like a painting. It looks
I know,
so
doesn't it?
Gorgeous.
So big, so fluffy. Yes.
So handsome.
Oh.
I like that big part.
So the meal is complete here. We have some potatoes, we have some beef, some carrots, some mushrooms, some bread. Sorry about the table's a bit of a mess. It was just kind of the only place to sit down.
Watch your faces.
You can tell who drinks and who doesn't.
You gotta shake it up if you want to do that.
Come on, Kevin. You got this. It's about to go. All right, Kevin, what are we about to do? We're about to split this cake. So this is my spoon, that's Kevin's spoon. Kevin's gonna be the little spoon. So go ahead and go.
Oh no.
Oh no, this is not good. Okay. That worked. Perfect. What are you doing, Kevin?
Huh? I was gonna
Oh, okay.
do one of these numbers.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you for my big spoon.
No.